is my lottery dream home. Believe it or not, there's still bits of my home state of Florida I haven't seen yet. I love that my lottery winners really get me out of the house. So I've made my way down from Orlando and I'm heading to Fort Pierce, more specifically, Hutchinson Island. Never been here before. Super excited to hear Chris and Ellie's story, my newest winners. New Yorkers Chris and Ellie rarely play the lottery, but bought a couple of tickets on a whim, which turned into a multi-million-dollar win. The couple immediately said goodbye to the Big Apple and hello to the dream of condo living in Florida. They've been renting a beautiful apartment on the water, but are now ready to find their dream home.
Hello, David. How are you?
Oh my gosh, look how cute you are.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Adorable.
How are you? Pleasure to meet you.
How are you?
Great.
I know how you're doing. You're rich and fabulous.
Yeah.
Yes, we are. Welcome to our home. Come
Thank
in.
you very
Come
much. Good kitchen.
in. Opens up to a big, wide
Huge.
space. Stop.
Yeah, this is great. Congratulations on your win.
Thank
Yes,
you.
we're so excited.
Tell me how much you guys won.
$7.7 million. All by ourselves.
Yeah.
Gosh,
happy.
multi-millionaires.
We're multimillionaires. Yes, we can
Yes.
pull into that category.
Does that feel weird?
Somewhat, yes.
Or does it feel absolutely perfect?
Amazing.
it feels
amazing.
So how did you win the $7.7 million?
We went out for our normal walk, and we're going around through a gas station parking lot, and Ellie happens to notice a sign hanging up top. It was a big Powerball jackpot that week. So she suggests, hey, why don't we go in and buy one ticket? So that ticket cost $2. So she took the money out, and while she's taking the money out to pay for it, her money was tangled up. So there was a $5 bill and 2 singles. She paid for the ticket with the 2 singles, and the $5 bill fell on the counter. So instead of putting it back in her purse, she said, you know what? Let me get $5 on the New York State Lotto quick pick.
Okay.
And that was what we won on.
Yeah.
That's like a dream story. Like,
really is.
A lot of my winners are avid players. Like,
Yes.
this is a lifestyle. They do this every morning with coffee, and I love that. But you guys are like the people
was a fluke.
that everyone
we
dreams
never
about.
play.
The
Never.
one time they play, and now the really smart thing that you guys did is you called me.
Yes.
Your
Yes.
house.
Yes.
I think we should go sit down and
Sure.
have a chat.
Let's have
about
a seat.
it.
All
Let's have a
right.
seat.
How fun. Oh my God. Super cute place. Like, this view is
Amazing.
really everything.
Amazing.
It's incredible. Why are you guys leaving this condo? Because honestly, this is so many people's dream home.
Well, we're not crazy about rules, that we have to follow.
Lots of rules.
Yes.
There's
Lots
lots of
of
intrusive
rules.
rules.
Yes.
Absolutely. That's
Yeah.
why we need you to find a house for
Yes.
us.
Love it. So we're looking for a house.
We are.
Yes.
Do you need a view? Do we need this? Do we
No.
need to be on a canal or
Not
on
at
a
all.
bay
You know
or
what?
anything?
On the contrary, we prefer privacy. Maybe a
Yes.
yard that gives us some privacy.
Got it.
We do want a swimming pool, so we might want some privacy for our swimming pool.
Are we looking for like half an acre, quarter acre, just a nice lot?
Small, easy to maintain.
Easy to
nice lot.
maintain.
We're more concerned with the house.
course.
We want something open. We want it welcoming.
Yes.
So open floor plan.
Absolutely.
At least 3 bedrooms.
Okay, 3 bedrooms.
4 is good, better.
4 is
but
better.
3 is okay.
3 plus.
Yeah.
3 plus.
2 bathrooms.
But
though.
for
That's a must.
yes,
How much are we spending?
we're thinking a top limit of $400,000. We can find a nice home.
Okay.
And
I think that would be doable. I'm going to get to work. I'm going to meet with a local real estate agent. Together, we're going to team up and find you the best dream home ever.
good luck to you.
Yay.
Good
Fun,
luck to you.
right?
Yes. we're so excited.
Awesome. The town is split in 2 by the Indian River, the beachy half on Hutchinson Island and the other on the mainland. To find their space and seclusion these New York lovers have their hearts set on, we're heading inland to a place called Pine Island Ranch. Now, it is a gated community, but there are fewer rules than condo living. This house does not have a pool, so I want to gauge them and see if it's okay that it doesn't. I'm absolutely excited to show Chris and Ellie this beautiful gem. Hello, hello.
Hey, how are you?
David.
Good to see you.
Good to see you guys too.
Me too.
Hey.
Beautiful day to
Yes,
look at a dream home.
Absolutely.
What do you guys think of the area?
Beautiful.
Nice.
So far, I love the whole neighborhood.
Good. Let me tell you a little bit about the house. Pine Island Ranch has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,495 square feet.
Wow.
Wow.
And it goes for the great price of $359,000.
That's incredible.
Nice.
Wow.
and
so
we're on a corner
excited.
lot. Pretty good, right?
Yes.
Let's go look at it.
All right.
All right. You guys ready for this?
Oh, I'm excited.
It's a fun
Let's do it.
journey, right?
Let's do it.
Here we go. Come on in, guys.
Oh, wow.
Wow, look at this. Look at this.
What do you think?
I love it.
Very
I love the
nice.
big arches.
Beautiful.
I love the wide openings.
Me
It's
too.
very welcoming.
Yeah, good. I mean, we're just in the foyer, so there's lots more to see.
We can't wait.
Come on into the dining room and formal sitting room.
Pretty.
Nice, very nice. This is beautiful. They've done a beautiful job decorating it. I love the entire setup.
Listen, he's motivated to sell. If you guys love the house, then the furniture can definitely come with it if you're liking this vibe.
Wow,
Okay.
that's definitely something to think
Something to
about.
It's always an option.
Yes.
Right.
All right, let's look at the kitchen. Come on into the kitchen.
Nice,
Pretty.
big, wide open kitchen.
I love the
nice. See, now,
countertops.
now in our old townhouse in New York, it was very small. We both like to cook.
Yes.
There was literally
Couldn't
no
be in
room
the-
for both of us at
yeah.
the same time.
No.
It was totally ludicrous. This is perfect.
All right, so we have our family room over here and our eat-in kitchen, which are great size. Before we get in to see the lanai,
Yes.
I want to take you into the master.
That's what I'd like to see.
Let's start in the master bathroom.
Wow.
Wow, look how big it
Beautiful.
is. I love it.
Glad.
No more elbowing for room in front of the mirror. It's perfect. Perfect.
All right, let's check out the master bedroom.
Let's do it.
next. Come on in.
Okay.
Okay,
Wow.
this is more spacious than I expected. This is
Great.
really big.
I would probably change the color.
What would
Yeah.
be your color of choice?
It would be a much lighter color, I would
Yes.
think.
There you go. Let's continue. With 2 guest rooms and an office, this is no condo. Especially when it comes to the quarter-acre yard and the roomy lanai.
Wow. This is bigger than I had
Beautiful.
imagined.
This is beautiful because even in New York, we never had like a patio or a balcony, and so like this is perfect.
Even the condo, babe, there's
Yeah,
no
the-
balcony or anything there. You know,
Exactly.
we have no place to go and sit outside and just enjoy the fresh air.
Right,
And this
exactly.
is perfect for it. We love it.
Let me show you the yard.
Sure.
Now, it does not have a pool, but you're able to put one in.
Okay,
and
that's
it
great.
also does have a community pool.
Oh, it
So,
does.
Okay, that's
Do
good.
you want to see how you want to utilize that first? Or do you want that water source staring at you from your bedroom?
We think eventually we're going to end up digging up this yard.
Exactly. All right, so what do you guys think of the house overall?
The house is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Love it.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Amazing.
I can't believe we still have 2 more to look at. I mean,
Yes,
this thing is
yes.
incredible.
Good.
I'm so excited to see the others.
I'm glad.
I mean, the only thing,
Tell
there's
me.
no bathtub,
Okay.
and we like to take baths together.
So one pool coming right up at Key West Cove, a gorgeous location with mature landscaping and the space and privacy this couple craves. You guys like the house?
Beautiful.
Do.
We're
I love the
beautiful.
trees are
Yes.
beautiful.
I called this house Key West Cove.
Okay.
It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,144 square feet, and the price is a little more expensive because the neighborhood is more expensive, more established, at $379,900.
Nice.
Sound good?
Within
Yeah,
our budget.
sounds great.
It's within our budget. It works.
Plenty of money to spend. I'm not feeling bad on going a little higher.
And you can. And you can.
Exactly.
Nice, nice.
Beautiful.
Big, wide
Nice.
open entrance.
Yeah, very dramatic.
Oh, wow. This is
Oh,
beautiful.
nice, nice. It's wide open, just like we asked. You did excellent.
Yes.
Excellent job.
Explore.
Love it.
Explore.
Love it. Look at this.
Oh,
the
that's
cabinets.
nice.
You
That's
like
nice.
that?
Built in like that. That's beautiful. Beautiful dining room, right?
That
The
is
dining
a
room. What do you think
huge,
about the dining room?
gigantic
I
dining
love
room.
it. I might take the carpet up.
Yeah,
I'm
you
not
think carpet
sure.
in the dining room? I think same thing. You don't want meatballs jumping off the table onto the carpet.
Exactly.
No one wants meatballs jumping anywhere.
Exactly.
What I would do, I would take up the carpet, take up the tile, and lay hardwood throughout the entire house. One finish, one space.
See
Okay,
that? I can see
yes,
that.
me too.
Absolutely.
All right, come on into the kitchen.
Oh, wow.
Oh, see?
Nice and
This-
big.
Good, right?
Yes. Like the countertops are pretty.
That's
Yes.
granite countertops, which are
Yes.
beautiful. Overlooks to this beautiful family room over here.
Yes.
TV is all set up right over there, so you can watch the TV from
As you
here,
go.
which is. Are you guys TV people?
Yes, we are.
Good.
Yeah,
Me
we
too.
do.
Yeah, I love a TV in every room. It's
Even
just-
while we're
it's
cooking.
comfort to me.
Yeah.
Come on out.
Ah,
Oh, beautiful.
the pool.
Isn't it great?
We're waiting for it.
Yes.
It's not a community pool.
It's not a
Gorgeous.
community pool.
Not-
It's all
yeah.
to yourself.
I like it. And we
Good.
have the sun. We have a lot of sun in the backyard. She loves the layout.
One thing that's great over here is there's a preserve, so you'll never have a neighbor over there, which is amazing.
That's amazing.
that's great.
We
And I
like
know-
our privacy.
I do, and I notice there's privacy on both sides.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want.
She owns about 100 bikinis, but she can save them for the beach because she won't need them back here.
Oh, thanks.
Ooh, risque. So let's talk bedrooms. This house has 2 guest-sized bedrooms with a full bathroom in between them. All right, let's check out the master bedroom.
Let's do it.
Oh, nice. Nice
Wow.
size.
Bright.
Very nice.
Very bright, too. I like that.
The other house, yes, it was a little dark, on the darker.
You know, it's amazing what only 2 shades on the paint scale can do to a house. This house, it's light all around.
Yeah, it's definitely
Makes it
appealing
look
to us.
Much bigger.
The master bathroom has his and her vanities and a nice big tub. You guys get in the tub together, right?
We do.
Well, you need to test it out. I love it.
This'll do.
Yes. I'll slide over. Privacy, a pool, and a tub made for 2. Nope, I didn't quite fit. Key West Cove seems perfect for Chris and Ellie, but I gotta ask. Anything that you would like to see in the house that I haven't shown you already?
You've been nailing it.
Good.
I have to say you've been
Yes.
nailing it.
Just wait till you see what I have for you tomorrow.
Can't wait.
A pretty spectacular
All
house.
right.
I'm in Vero Beach, a quiet corner of the Sunshine State, which is quintessentially Old Florida. Lottery winners Chris and Ellie moved here to escape the cold winters and crowds of New York. And now they want to escape their condo too. I mean, who needs all these rules when you're rich? So we've been looking at houses. Chris and Ellie's face absolutely lit up when they saw Key West Cove's pool. I mean, they loved it. But our next property, Oak Shores, doesn't just have a pool. There's another amazing feature I'm dying to show them. This beautiful property is set on the sunny shores of its own lake. And like 90% of the communities here in Florida, it is gated. But what I love about this is that all the neighbors are super friendly and there's not a ton of rules. Don't you guys look adorable?
Hey, how are
Looking
you?
like millionaires. Oh yeah, you are. Adorable, cute as a button. So let me tell you a little bit about Oak Shores. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,296 square feet, and it's the most expensive of our houses at $389,900.
Nice.
And when we see the back, you'll understand why.
Okay, we're excited.
Let's go look.
All right.
Let's get out of this heat. Right, here we go. All right, come on in.
Wow.
Now we're talking.
Yeah, it's a great open floor plan. You can't really get any more open than this.
No, this is so far the most open.
It is.
Yeah.
All right, let's continue, shall we?
See?
Okay.
All right, so we have an office here that's perfect for you guys.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Half bathroom. Come on into the master bedroom.
Oh, wow.
Hey,
Very
this is nice. Nice, very unique shape to it. In this particular room, I actually like that the ceilings aren't so high. It's kind of our little comfy space, and we don't want a lot of sound bouncing around all over the bedroom.
I bet you do want it quieter.
I cleaned that up.
I'm getting what you're selling and I'm understanding. Why don't you guys check out the bathroom?
All right. Oh, wow.
This is huge.
Nice size.
Oh, there's your tub again.
Get in there.
Which way?
Yes, yes, yes.
There we go.
Sit on those spiders.
There better not be spiders.
Oh, this is deeper. Look,
How's
legs.
that?
Even my long legs fit perfectly.
Perfect.
I love this.
Yes. Boom. Shall we continue to the kitchen?
Let's do
Yes.
So over here we have a nice dining room, as we
Very
see.
nice.
Family room over there, and then of course the very
this is
important
nice.
kitchen.
It's
Very
cute.
Nice.
It's cute.
Nice and big.
Now we have a solid surface countertop. And to me, I would change this out because it feels a little dated.
Yes.
All right, let's check out the family
All
room.
right.
Kitchen nook right here. Nice
Yes.
little round table
Yep.
would be perfect.
Okay, nice. We can work with this.
Yeah. Family room here. Could do a nice 8-foot sofa, even 9-foot sofa. Whatever you're doing here in this entire room, you'll be able to see what's happening over here.
Nice.
Right. I
nice.
like that.
Very
I
appealing.
like that
Yeah.
for sure.
Before we go outside, there's 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom over here, but I want to really take you out here because this is it.
Let's see.
Excited.
This is the part
We're
that I'm excited to
excited.
show you guys.
Right.
Oh, look at the pool. Look at the pool.
Isn't this fantastic?
Yes. Right away, I'm seeing that waterfall. They've done a nice job, and it definitely
Look
works
at
for
the
the pool.
view, hon, of the lake.
I didn't even
That's
see the lake.
amazing.
I didn't even see the lake.
Amazing.
Wow.
The lake is pretty spectacular.
Yeah.
I hope the neighbors don't get mad if we swim in that.
Here's a little tip. Here's a little tip. Any Florida water that's like a lake or something, there probably is an alligator in there.
yes.
So let's not
We haven't seen one yet.
ever- No, but you don't ever want to see one
No.
of those. No, alligators are not an optional extra here. And besides, Oak Shores is perfect as it is. What do you guys think of the house overall?
Very
It's nice.
Very nice.
It's very nice.
Yep. Decision's
Yeah.
going to be tough. You
Right.
didn't make that easy. You showed us some beautiful homes, and I don't know what we're going to do.
That I cannot help with.
Okay.
Another warm day here.
Yes.
After you.
Thank you.
Oh, nice.
You guys look great and tanned and beautiful and ready to spend some money.
We are.
Looking like millionaires.
Thank you.
Let's go ahead and talk about all the houses. So Pine Island Ranch, beautiful home.
Wide open, high ceilings.
Yeah.
You know,
Yes, the
everything
high
we were looking for.
ceilings.
A little newer, but it was the one house that did not have two things that you guys needed.
Yes.
Which was a tub and a pool.
And a pool,
Yes.
You guys like the water.
We like the water. Yes, together. Yes.
Hilarious
Yes.
and cute. All right, so Key West Cove. Oh my gosh, that said Florida
Love
on
it.
them.
It did.
All the
Love it.
houses.
It had the whole Florida look. The style, the Key West style, and the color was right on.
Yep.
And the pool.
The pool.
It had the
Yes.
pool.
Beautiful. Really nice.
Really nice.
It did need a little work.
But the tub was amazing.
The tub was
Nice
good.
and deep. I love
Yes.
that.
Yeah.
I love that.
And then we went to Oak Shores. Love the community there. Super mature trees.
Yes.
Yes.
And the one surprise that had there was that lake in the back. So I know you guys said you didn't really care about being on the water, but then when you see the pool plus the water,
Gave
it's
us a
kinda
whole
like-
new perspective.
You surprised us with that.
Now, honestly, I can't really tell where you guys are leaning. I have an idea.
Well, you made it very difficult for us to choose.
Yes.
They were all wonderful homes. We did discuss it, and we came to a compromise, and I'm going to let Ellie tell you.
All right, this is exciting.
Key West Cove.
So great. I love that house for you guys.
Yes.
We
It's a
love it.
really cool house, and it's so peaceful and nice and tranquil.
Yeah.
And of all the houses, it felt the most private. And I feel you guys need a little privacy in your life.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah,
With
we
all
love
that
privacy.
money, you don't want people
We love
wandering around
privacy.
your yard. These
Yeah.
are
Beautiful yard.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Yes.
I think you guys are gonna find your home there really nicely, and I'm excited to see the updates that you guys do to it.
Yes.
The checkbook's open, you do what you need to do.
Ooh,
Let me-
thank you.
We're gonna go shopping.
Let's
I'll
go.
help you.
So, you know, hon, the longer we're in the condo, the more I can't wait to get in here. It's so dark.
He has a lot of vision. He sees things
Yes.
that we can't see, and we were really surprised about some of the ideas he had. It's really helped us out.
David recommended more like the natural tones. I liked his recommendations.
And I like what you like, so choice is up to you.
Happy wife, happy life.
You got it. Now, we gave David a wish list, and in this particular house, I think we found everything, and we're really, really pleased. You did an
Yes.
excellent job.
It's perfect. It's the perfect house.
We still have a few months before our lease is up in our condo, so we can make all the necessary changes, and when we finally walk in that door, it'll be exactly what we wanted. I don't think we would have been able to find a house without David. David, we appreciate it so much. You found exactly what we were looking for. So what do you think? Take a walk around the neighborhood, see what we got?
Sure.
I think we're really gonna like it here.
Yeah.